Hi, and welcome back. jQuery UI includes a rich set of effects. We can see a few of them demoed here. And while to some users these may seem just like nice to have cosmetic features, they're very useful in developing rich internet applications. And there are many jQuery UI plugins that are based on and extend these effects. So you'll find them quite handy. We are going to use effects to create something like what the iPhone, for those of you who use the iPhone and other applications, do to indicate when there has been an error condition or to say no to the user. For example, if they've entered an invalid password, the no effect will shake its head like a no. You can see that there. And the yes effect will nod up and down to indicate yes, as you can see right there. It turns out this is quite easy to do using jQuery UI. We'll once again start out with a blank HTML document with jQuery UI libraries included for both the appearance, the CSS here on line 12, and the actual core functionality, which is on line 15. We'll create a container here which will actually hold the yes/no buttons. And we'll give it a class that we're just making up. It could be anything. We'll call it animated. And then inside of that, we can write our message. Doesn't really matter, of course, what that says. And then we'll have some buttons down here for yes and no. We'll put yes first. And then next to that, we'll put no. Very simple so far. It's not formatted at all and doesn't look very nice, so let's throw a quick dialog function in there. We learned how to do this in a previous example. So now there's a dialog look and feel. It just makes it stand out a little bit more to the user. Start out by adding the yes effect. So we'll use another selector here. When the yes button is clicked, just call a function. And we'll add an effect to this animated tag here, spanning between lines 18 and 23. jQuery UI provides an effect function, and we simply give it the name of the effect that we want. So for yes, we want it to bounce. So when we click yes, it bounces up and down. For the no effect, we can use shake. So now when we click the no button, we witness the following behavior. It's sort of like how an iPhone would behave. Then we can use additional arguments to specify options, the duration, and a callback function for when it's complete. For more information about those, you can see the jQuery UI documentation here. The duration is given in milliseconds. This is on the no callback. Give that a duration of 2000, which is 2 seconds. Now when no is clicked, it takes much longer for it to complete. You can see it takes about 2 seconds. Yes still happens just as quickly. When the animation has completed, we can call a complete function. We'll just notify the user that that animation has completed. So now, when we click no, this callback at the end is raised that tells the user that it's completed.